Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to utilize the Paint formatting tool in Google Docs. So this operates very similar to the same tools you're used to in Microsoft Excel or Word or other applications as well, which basically allows users to copy and paste formatting from one area of the document to the other. So this can be very useful if you're copying and working with a lot of different text. So for example, if I had this text as a certain color, perhaps with a different underline and maybe it's bolded, let's say I want to apply the same formatting up here at the top paragraph. All you have to do is just highlight over whatever text you want to apply the formatting from. So let's say we like this formatting. We're going to highlight over the formatting we want to copy. And then you want to select the little paintbrush or paint roller icon. This is paint format. Go ahead and select that. And then go over to whatever text you want to apply the formatting to. And then release pressure on the mouse cursor once you've done that. So you're just basically copying and then dragging it over whatever text you want to apply it to. And please note that it doesn't apply once you've pasted it. You're going to have to do that every time you want to apply the formatting once again. So if I highlight over another area, you see it doesn't work anymore. But you would need to, again, select the text you want to apply the formatting from. And then I'm just going to drag over everything. And now we're back to normal. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.